The English language is rich with words, yet so many settle for the mundane. Today we're banishing very from our vocabulary and replacing it with words that command attention. Why say very bad when atrocious carries so much more weight? A performance, a decision, even the weather. If something is dreadful, let's call it what it is. For instance, you might say the play was not just bad, it was utterly atrocious. When fatigue overwhelms, exhausted paints the picture far better than very tired. Consider saying, after the long journey I was completely exhausted. A winter's night isn't just very cold, it's frigid, sharp, biting, unforgettable. For example, the frigid air cut through my coat like a blade. A well-kept space isn't very clean, it's immaculate, a word suited for pristine surroundings. You might say the house was immaculate, not a speck of dust in sight. Furious captures a storm of emotions far stronger than a simple very angry. Imagine saying she was furious when she discovered the betrayal. Now, let's refine our speech with words that leave an impression. Elated conveys pure joy. It means very happy, perfect for celebrations and accomplishments. For example, he was elated when he received the award. When sorrow runs deep, Despondent expresses it with dignity. It means very sad. You might say, after losing the match she felt utterly despondent. A mind that shines isn't just very smart, it's brilliant. For instance, his brilliant solution saved the entire project. Something grand isn't merely very big, it's enormous. Try saying, the mansion was enormous, with countless rooms and corridors. Precision matters. A minute detail carries far more weight than something very small. You could say the difference was minute, but it changed everything. Now for words that bring elegance to daily conversations. A frail structure, a tired voice. Feeble captures the idea beautifully. It means very weak. Consider saying, his feeble voice barely carried across the room. A luminous idea or a luminous glow. It means very bright and carries a touch of brilliance. For instance, the luminous moonlit sky was breathtaking. One does not simply feel very hungry after a long day. One is famished. You might say, I skipped lunch and by dinner I was absolutely famished. Something moving very fast isn't just quick, it's rapid. For example, the cheetah is a rapid runner, reaching incredible speeds in seconds. History isn't just very old, it is ancient. A word steeped in time. For example, the ruins stood as a reminder of an ancient civilization. 15 words to sharpen your speech and elevate your conversations. Which one will you use first? Let me know in the comments below.